Okay? Yung talo namin against Adamson after that game, yun nga, sa amin kasi pass is pass. We look forward, no? Against NU, naging aggressive yung mga bata. Yung the will to win nandun. Basta kami, a win is a win, no? 2 points o 3 point, 1 point. This is a total team effort. Lahat ng tulungan. Si Portsky made that last 2 possession shots, breaks, ano yan, breaks of the game din, no? Then Christian is steady. I hope we sustain this, no? Na hanggang, yun nga, next game namin is against Lasan. Medyo, alam naman natin, super lakas yung team na yun.
Thank you. To Christian, you had 14 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and +9. So, sabi ni Coach Pido, you're steady today. So, ano man sayo mo sa pinakita mo today, especially kailangan yung bumawi from that top loss against Adamson?
Well, pinakita ko na yung kung paano ako maglaro, yung same lang. And siguro leadership kasi knowing the team kanina, we were really down nung nakalaman sila, I think, nakasampung lamang ata sila sa amin. So, really thankful na nag-usap kami sa dugout na we really need to bounce back. Yun lang. I think this is a team effort. Yun lang.
Thank you. To Portsky, you have 8 points, 5 assists, 3 rebounds, and 1 steal, and +15 sa loob ng court. Yung go-ahead basket in the final 29 seconds. What can you say na clutch ka this time?
Hindi, nagkataon lang din talaga siguro kasi the few possessions back, talagang i-create ako para sa teammates ko. And then come that possession, yung last possession na yun, bigla silang nag-switch. So, ginawa ko lang yung right thing and thank you Lord, tumasok ko dito.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Hi Christian. So, nagsimula ka sa UST season 84. Tapos, ito na ata yung 4th season mo playing. So, anong feeling na you're finally part of a winning team? Tapos, ano yung naramdaman mo yung parang halos puno na yung Araneta ng UST fans?
Yeah, it's really overwhelming. Parang masaya lang kasi, coming from previous year, puro kami talo. Parang nawawala yung winning culture namin. Thank God, pumunta dito sila Coach Pido, dagdag ba ng mga new recruits namin, like Forsky, sila Kyle Paranada. Laking boost yun sa team namin, And doon pala alam ko na we're gonna go somewhere this season. And yung nararamdaman ko dati siguro, parang nawawala na akong ganan maglaro nun Kasi we're always losing, but now I think may chance kami ngayon. Yun lang masabi ko.
Tapos follow-up question, next game nyo is next Sunday against Lasalle, your home team. So, anong feeling mo na?
We're gonna prepare, for sure. Mahaba yung week na yun, so we're gonna come up with schemes kung paano namin ma-stop yung mga play na Lasalle, how to play them, yun lang.
Coach, can you just speak on the character lang po na pinakita ng boys nyo nung down kayo nung early 4th quarter before Forsky took over?
Alam mo, believe din ako sa NU, kay Coach Jeff, yung team niya, kahit walang import, lumalaban, yung attitude na ayaw matalo, nandun. Kami naman, na-overcome namin yun, ang inisip namin na we don't take things for granted, Sa kami, naglaro kami ng ayos, yung mga players nag-response, medyo may mga mali, part of the game yun, Kasi, tsaka sila, yung mga players gusto nilang manalo, gusto nilang pabigyan ng panalo, glory ang UST kasi yung UST community nagsusupport sa amin, at least ngayon, ang dami na nanonood. Nung last year ko, parang 4 na tao lang yata yung nanonood. Kasi yung mga kamag-anak namin, mga 12. At least ngayon, ang dami na, Naubos na yung ticket sa IPEA. We're thankful sa UST community, sa UST management, sa Father Rector, kay Father Rodel, no? This is for the UST community. Basta kami, we're going to prepare namin kung saan kami abutin. No? Basta kami, ang goal namin is sa final four, makapasok kami. Okay, itong person, manalo na manalo para the second round is going to be a different story. Okay?
So